India and the United States of America on 30th September launched the Climate Action and Finance Mobilization Dialogue to renew their collaboration on climate change and also address the financing aspects related to climate action. The launch of this initiative comes in the backdrop of announcement made by Prime Minister Modi and US President Biden to enhance actions in order to meet the goals of the Paris Agreement. This announcement was made at the launch of the partnership at Leaders Summit on Climate in April 2021. This dialogue was launched under India-US Climate and Clean Energy Agenda 2030 partnership. The objective behind this move is to strengthen India-US bilateral cooperation on climate and environment and also demonstrate how the world can align swift climate action along with inclusive and resilient economic development. Since this dialogue is one of the two tracks of the India-US Climate and Clean Energy Agenda 2030, let's look over the objective behind this bilateral move. India-US Climate and Clean Energy Agenda 2030 is a joint climate and clean energy initiative by India with the US. This initiative was started by the objective of mobilizing investments, demonstrating clean technologies and enabling green collaborations in India in order to create templates of sustainable development for other developing countries. During the launch of this dialogue, Union Minister for Power and New and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh met a delegation led by John Kerry, US Special Presidential Envoy for Climate. The purpose of the meeting was to discuss further collaboration on climate change issues and to work towards a genuine partnership between the two countries to pave the way for the rest of the world on energy transition. At this event, the US appreciated India for its energy access drive and commitment to achieve 450 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2030. They also lauded India for electrifying 28.02 million homes in 18 months while achieving universal household electrification. The Power Minister informed the US Climate Envoy John Kerry about the Government of India's intent to move towards a clean energy transition. He further informed that the biggest challenge for infusing renewable energy was storage, which needs to be addressed immediately to make power accessible to the masses. Currently, India is aggressively pushing towards green hydrogen and electrolyzers, for which Power Minister R.K. Singh requested the US side to send their companies to participate in the bids. The minister also highlighted India's upcoming projects in Ladakh on green hydrogen and green energy corridors. US Special Presidential Envoy for Climate proposed that USA is willing to enter into a genuine collaboration with India to realize the ambitious target of reaching 450 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2030, which would pave the way for India to achieve sub 2 degrees Celsius level, much more than what has been committed under Paris Climate Agreement. 800 million people across the world do not have access to electricity. Addressing concern over this, Power Minister R.K. Singh urged the US side to join the International Solar Alliance, which can benefit many countries. SPEC highlighted that India and the USA could make a global leadership role on the energy transition front and show the rest of the world that ambitious renewable energy targets can be achieved. In a noble development, this partnership would be an inspiration to the rest of the world to revise their nationally determined goals and strengthen the fight towards climate change. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on India's climate diplomacy.